How to embed the pi-shaped generalist pool into the line organization. In this presentation you will learn how the pi-shaped generalist pool is embedded into the existing organization, how collaboration works, and what roles and responsibilities are. The pi-shaped generalist pool usually is added as a separate organizational unit to the existing line organization. The existing line organization usually consists of functional experts which are belonging to departments which are organized along hierarchies. The pi-shaped generalist pool is cross-functional and does not depend on hierarchies and functions. Functional experts usually would run the daily business. They earn the money for the company and generate the value added for the external customer. Pi-shaped generalists usually act in the background. They build and maintain the infrastructure the functional experts need to perform their job efficiently and effectively. As the name already indicates, functional experts are experts in a specific function. They usually work in a daily business mode and belong to departments structured along a line organization. They perform functions such as marketing, sales, manufacturing, or support functions such as IT, accounting, HR, controlling, etc. Also, managers are considered as a part of the line organization. Pi-shaped generalists work in a project mode and their activities are not linked to a specific function or department. The functional skill set required might change with each mission a pi-shaped generalist takes over. The work of a pi-shaped generalist is structured along project plans and project organizations. It's very important that both functional experts and pi-shaped generalists are considered as one company. They must act as one team independently of the organization. Usually, the pool of pi-shaped generalists is much smaller than the line organization. It is very important that the organization understands that functional experts and pi-shaped generalists are of the same value for the company. They are of equal importance, but they have different roles, which both are crucial for the success of the company. To successfully accomplish a mission, functional experts and pi-shaped generalists have to collaborate. This means project teams usually consist of both functional experts and pi-shaped generalists. How is a project team composed? It's the mission which determines the team. To successfully fulfill the mission, the skill set and the profiles of the team members have to fit to the challenge. Very often, also the availability of the team members impacts the composition of a project team. Even if they are one team, functional experts and pi-shaped generalists have fundamentally different roles. Functional experts hold a specific functional expertise. They deliver expert input and take over specific tasks which only can be executed by experts. They will take over and operate the project outcome once the project is over. That's why it's in their own interest to properly contribute to the project. The pi-shaped generalists will manage the project. They collect and consolidate expert input and work out an overall concept. Whenever possible, they will perform the implementation tasks by themselves in order to minimize the time consumption of the functional experts. This is very important, as the functional experts have to earn the money for the company. Literally, their time is money. Once the solution is implemented, they train the functional experts and hand over operations to them. They also will support the functional experts once the solution is live. Given the roles above, one can easily recognize that the workload in projects differs for the two groups. As a rule of thumb, one can assume that the pi-shaped generalists will execute approximately 80% of the project work, whereas the functional experts account for 20%. The pi-shaped generalists might take over an additional role. it's the role of a firefighter. In very critical situations, such as crisis or unexpected operational peak times, pi-shaped generalists might have to support the line organization in running the daily business, or they might have to support to resolve unexpected operational issues. The purpose of the pi-shaped generalist pool is simple: reduce the project and extraordinary workload of the line organization to the maximum extent, so that the line organization can focus on running the company and earning the money. This concept was not designed for a specific company. The concept is generic and can be applied by any company in any industry. There is another movie which explains how a pi-shaped expert pool is set up, what capabilities the team members need to have, and how the team can be developed. This is the end of the presentation. Thanks a lot for your attention.